Hi everybody, Dr. Karaoke here. Today I'm going to go over some basic stretches for the spine. And this is when patients are coming to the clinic, we're doing adjustments, the nerve pressure is being relieved, so they're feeling better, but they want to do some things in between appointments to help the process, to correct the underlying cause, which is posture and alignment, flexibility of the spine. Now, I'm a big fan of yoga type of stretches, and depending on the circumstance, I'll give certain stretches to do. Usually starting with the cat and dog, these top two on the right, and alternating between the cat and the dog. Now, there's been some situations where people have trouble getting into that position. I would encourage you to continue trying, but if it's causing pain, if it's pinching, you're restricted, it's uncomfortable, then we can go with other types of stretches. Like extended child is a good alternative to doing the dog because you're still getting some extension of the spine. You're tractioning the spine by putting the arms up over the head. You can separate the knees. You don't have to go into so much of a squatting position like this with the knee. So don't worry about the knees so much. It's more so getting the body parallel to the floor and letting the arms extend overhead that is most important. I like the downward facing dog, this middle one right here. This is good too. Be careful you don't get too dizzy because the blood flow will go to the head. Keep the arms extended out. This really works with the lower part of the spine right here and the hips, so that's good. Just holding for 3 to 5 seconds to start. Kind of get yourself back into the upright position and then go and do the downward facing dog again. Upward facing dog is good too. Just be careful you're not pinching any nerves here in the lower part of the spine or mid back. So arms extended, doing the reverse of the downward facing dog, looking up, that'll put the back into extension. It's a good alternative to the dog position right here, whereas the downward facing dog, good alternative to the cat with a little bit more emphasis on the low back. Standing forward fold, excellent for the low back and the upper back, just stretching and tractioning the spine, really good. Warrior is good. I like this more for the hips, so the sacroiliac joints and the hips. Legs separated like that, arms up overhead. It just helps again with the traction and the extension of the lumbar and thoracic spine. And then you can add a bit of a twist for the rotation right there, Warrior 2 as opposed to Warrior 1. So same type of position with the legs, but then twisting the upper body so that you're looking straight ahead with the arms rotated into the neutral plane. So there's some very good exercises for energy, flexibility of the spine, alignment, and posture. If you're in the Kelowna area, you're looking for a chiropractor, we are accepting new patients. You can call the number below here on the screen. You can message that number as well, or you can go to our website, tutstreetfamilychiropractic.com, book an appointment there, and I'll see you soon.